bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Remove the bottom panel from the glove box assembly. Open the glove box. Pry off the side panel. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws securing the top of the glove box. We recommend using an extender tool. Remove the 3 screws. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1119C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the side panel. Close the glove box.
Reinstall the bottom panel.
Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.